The age of steam intertwines with nature's artistry, where intricate automatons cultivate gardens of impossible beauty. Within the greenhouse, a symphony of hissing steam and whirring gears accompanies the meticulous work of mechanical gardeners. Dr. Mechanicus observes his creations, a proud smile on his face, as the automatons cultivate flora with unparalleled precision. A sudden tremor shakes the greenhouse as a rogue gear malfunctions, disrupting the harmonious symphony of the automatons. Dr. Mechanicus rushes to the aid of the malfunctioning automaton, his expression a mix of concern and determination. With skillful hands, Dr. Mechanicus replaces the broken gear, restoring the automaton to its former glory. The harmonious symphony of the greenhouse returns, a testament to the ingenuity of Dr. Mechanicus and the resilience of his mechanical creations. The camera focuses on a single, perfectly bloomed rose, a symbol of the cultivated beauty within the steampunk garden. News spreads of a hidden cult that worships Dr. Mechanicus. A young, skeptical journalist, Eliza Stone, investigates the rumors, her determination fueled by a thirst for truth. Eliza follows a lead to a hidden workshop, discovering strange blueprints and cryptic symbols related to the cult. Meanwhile, the cult prepares a grand ritual, intending to imbue a massive automaton with life, guided by Dr. Mechanicus's teachings. Eliza confronts Dr. Mechanicus, challenging his beliefs and exposing the cult's dangerous intentions. Dr. Mechanicus, torn between his scientific ambitions and the potential consequences, hesitates, questioning the cult's methods. Eliza and Dr. Mechanicus race against time to stop the ritual, infiltrating the underground chamber as the cult prepares to activate the automaton. A chaotic confrontation ensues as Eliza and Dr. Mechanicus disrupt the ritual, battling the cult leader and his followers. Dr. Mechanicus uses his knowledge to disable the automaton, preventing the cult from bringing it to life. The cult leader attempts to escape, but Eliza confronts him, leading to a final showdown amidst the deactivated automaton. Eliza defeats the cult leader, ending his reign of terror and freeing Dr. Mechanicus from the cult's influence. Dr. Mechanicus returns to his greenhouse, dedicating himself to cultivating beauty and knowledge, free from the cult's dark influence. Eliza, satisfied with her investigation, continues to pursue truth and justice, leaving a legacy of uncovering hidden secrets. The final shot shows a time-lapse of the greenhouse, showcasing the ever-growing, mechanically cultivated beauty, a testament to innovation and redemption.